Okay, my original EDC video showed just a few pens that I carry, including the Zebra 501 and the 301 mechanical pencil. I'm just going to use that for reference. I've got two new pens here. Smith & Wesson, a tactical pen, and the survival tactical pen. So, we'll take a look at these. First of all, the military and police pen. This is it in black. Comes with a rounded point, which I suppose you could use for defensive purposes if required. It has a nice grippy material here. You've got a black clip with a Smith & Wesson logo on it. It's a pull cap, which has like a plastic coating in this side, so you can stick it on the top there without scraping the pen, damaging the finish. Let's just see. It's got a nice black roller ball refill in it. It writes pretty nicely. I suppose the length of this pen open is just over 6 inches. There's a nice click to close it, and close length is the same. It's just a touch over 6 inches. So it's the weight. I think it's just over 40 grams, or 1.4 ounces, and compared with your standard Parker type pen, it's slightly longer. It's about a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch longer, and much thicker. But it's a nice pen. Feels really nice build quality to it. The second pen is the Smith & Wesson Survival Tactical Pen. Now, why is it called Survival? Well, this is quite a unique pen. It's the same length as the military and police, but it's heavier. There's a reason for that. Okay, first of all, this is a twist pen. So you twist for the rollerball function. Once again, I think it's like a ballpoint black finish. So twist to open, twist to close, and reason for this, if we unscrew the back of the pen, it has a Firesteel rod. Yep. And here's the striker on the tip. So you just, well, I'm not going to do it on the kitchen table here, but strike along the knurled edge here, and you can create sparks, get a fire going. You can remove this as well if you need to replace it if it runs out. And it comes with this. Let me show you this. So this pen can also convert to a nice little compact keychain pen, which could still have its tactical uses, but is a lot more compact than the full size. And you've still got your striker and flint rod. You can keep separate, so it's up to you. I would probably use it more as the full length pen, but the keychain option's there. It's really nice. It's a good build quality. It's heavy. It feels like it's going to last. I suppose it's a bit of a novelty having the Firesteel, but hey, you never know when you might need it. So that is the Smith & Wesson tactical pen with a fire starter, and the Smith & Wesson military and police pen. Thanks for watching.